Good evening. I'm going to pick a Lince C4. This is a Spanish company. Don't really know much about them. I can't really find out much about them. So I have messaged Talon. Hopefully he can shed some light on them. By the time this video goes live, hopefully I can put some information below regarding maybe a bit about the company and tolerances and if they're any good. So what do you get? Key card, and you do get 5 keys, which is I think pretty good. It's only a blue belt lock, but it kind of is weird. So I wasn't able to pick this for a while until I watched Lock Noob's video on this lock. Not really for picking, but more for how it works. And when you know how it works, it's really not difficult. So the top stack is 5 key pins and drivers, and the bottom stack is 5 key pins that have, I guess, a gate for a sidebar. So it's got 10 pins, and the pins sort of butt up like that, and you've got to push that one that way and then maybe the bottom one that way, and eventually they'll make the core turn. So works fine. Let's get to picking it. Never gutted one of these, just from Lock Noob's video. So if we get an open, we're gonna have to figure it out. It's gonna be interesting going off my memory. Hopefully I don't brick it, because I do want to give this away in my giveaway to come very soon. Alrighty. And that's an overset. That's good. And the bottom stack. There we go. I'm not going any further than that because I have no idea how this thing goes together, really. I have taken the liberty to save us all the time to loosen the C-clip. It's one of those ones that never go back together the same. So we'll lock that back up. Now I don't believe I need to shim this, so I'm gonna shim it anyway. There should be a sidebar. Where is it? Oh, fiddlesticks. What was that? Oh, draw protection. That's alright that falls out. The other one come out? No. Okay, let's just see what happens. There's my sidebar. Okay, haven't bricked it. Dump those 5. Shit, that was 5. Four, right. Come on. Sidebar, tiny little spring. It's going to be a nightmare to get back in. Now we can somehow get that off without launching pins across the room. I don't think this will come out. It's kind of crimped in place. Well, what I can do, where's that key gone? So there are your, I guess your key pins for the sidebar. When you put the key in, all those gates line up and allow the sidebar to retract. If you screw it up, those will not line up. It's probably as far as I'm going to go because that appears to be crimped in poorly, but I do want to give this lock away, so it's probably as far as I'll go. You can see all 5 are in there. Now the top stack. These pins are huge. all standards, which is a little disappointing. But it was nice to see some drill protection in there as well. So, dump a little spring out. So springs go in there. And I guess that bottom bar is what retracts into the sort of gate, and that pushes in, is allowed to rotate in the core. Yeah, a bit of a strange one, but definitely was a bit of fun. So that's the top stack, and that's the bottom stack, which I am not going to take apart because I don't believe I can do it non-destructively. They all line up. So when and you try and take that out, and that pushes that up until it's out, and that way it'll essentially lock. There goes the other drill protection. Yeah, so pretty interesting lock. Somehow put it back together now. Alright, that's the Lince C4. Thanks for watching.